Welcome to week 2, for the 360 Island Club. We have some great news for this week, so let's get started. Here is Toto Condom for Warfare Comedy Season 3.
Warfare Comedy Season 3 is coming out this Thanksgiving. We are doing our best to figuring out the topic. Bob Jr. will now tell us about the news about our shows this week.
There might be a new episode of Halo Reach Failures, and there will be a Warfare Comedy Thanksgiving special. But stay tuned for Warfare Comedy Season 3. Now time for Zebra.
Thank you, Bob Jr. 360 Island Club is working on the sidebars for the site, making banners and decorations to make the site more sexy. Now time for good news with Bobster.
I got good news and no bad news, which is great. So the good news is that we are really happy about all of your good compliments. And also thank you us for helping get more subs.
Thanks for joining us.
Stay tuned for more news next week. See you then.
Only at 360islandclub.wordpress.com.
Goodbye.